Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I thought I would share with you a new look haul. I don't really do a lot of hauls because I try not to shop too much or even to like get sent too many items, because I want to have a wardrobe that is just filled with items I really love. But I have kindly been sent some new look bits which I really wanted to share. I love some of the items. We'll get started with what I am wearing, because I honestly put this on and I was like, I love this. I just think it's adorable. It's this little cardigan that's got a matching crop top. It's just the cutest thing I have ever seen. I might buy it in other colours. I love this, like way more than I thought I would. There's actually another cardigan in this. I thought I was going to love that cardigan and I kind of put it on and I was like, oh, I don't know if I really like it that much. And then I put this on and I was like, oh my god, I never want to take this off. I still got the tags on it. I literally just put it on. The cardigan is £19.99. They're a set but they don't come together. You have to buy them separately. And then the crop top is £12.99. You can obviously wear them separately. I would wear this in the summer quite happily. I think I'd wear this cardigan by itself as well, like just done up. I think it's very cute, but together I think this is like next level cute. I'm gonna look at what other colours they have. I love this. I'm probably gonna buy other colours. I'm obsessed with this, like way more than I thought I would be. I think the crop top is very flattering, especially if you have quite a similar body shape to me. I'm not slim, but I've got quite a small waist. It finishes at a nice part of my body, but then the cardigan kind of skims over still slightly, so you've kind of got that little bit without it being like too revealing or too showy. I love this cardigan. I am just gonna 100% buy the other colours if there are other colours, because together it's like £33, but you know, New Look has 20% off all the time. They might even have it at the moment. If they do, I will leave that down below. The other cardigan, which if I'm honest, like, I do really like, but I think this colour really is very soft and flattering, whereas the other one is very similar but not quite as flattering for some reason. I think sometimes white can be a bit harsh, but it is still absolutely beautiful. It's this really soft cardigan which is £23. The price is really quite good, and it's got these little blingy buttons, which is what drew me in, if I'm completely honest. It's like snowy and warm and just really cute and beautiful. It also comes with a spare button, which I think is quite important. I think I'm going to get loads of wear out of both pieces during the autumn and winter. I actually think that the white cardigan is a little bit Christmassy without being like too kitsch, which is nice. Then I got a pair of boots, which I'm yet to try on, but they are £29.99. They are not leather, so they are vegan. Well, not necessarily, but they are vegan. It says it on the bottom. They are a snakeskin cowboy boot. I think cowboy boots are really in, so is snakeskin, so kind of mixing those two trends together. It's got a nice little heel. I don't think they look like they cost £29.99. I think they are a beautiful boot, and I'm definitely going to get loads of wear out of it. I really do like the shape. I got mine in a size 6. I'm hoping the 6 will fit. Maybe I'll try it on. I'm like a 6.5. It kind of depends on the shop. Yeah, I think those will be fine. I tried them on my left foot, which is my larger foot. Should I show you what they look like? They look like this. Bit heavy to be sitting on my desk, but yeah, they're very cute. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of them. We'll go on to coats. In my opinion, if you're looking for a very affordable coat, New Look is the place to go. I think, I don't know why, New Look do great coats, especially because they are about the £60 mark, which is pretty much unbeatable. For example, I think Zara do good coats, but they're double the price and they're not lined. But I think New Look just nail it because they are lined and they're cheaper than Zara. They're really beautiful. I got 2 coats from them. First coat is my favourite. It's just really exactly the sort of vibe that I was going for, and it's this houndstooth coat. I wanted something a bit different that was still like monochrome but wasn't solid black, and this really did nail that. I just think it's lovely. It's kind of like a robe coat because it's got a belt, and if you don't have one of these coats, I would highly recommend getting one. The 2 coats that I kind of ordered are kind of reminiscent of my favourite coat, which is my monkey coat from last year. I would include a picture just here of me wearing it. I love it. This is actually a size 14. Typically I wear a size 12, but I think oversized coats look really cool, so I'm really glad that this is that little bit bigger. Great for wearing over jumpers, and it basically just feels like you're wearing a bathrobe on the street, but you still look quite presentable. Love this coat. I think it's beautiful. It's really quite long. On me, I'm 5'7". It is knee length, which I like, just below the knee, but I think also if you're a little bit shorter than I am, then I think it would still be a nice length, and equally if you're a little bit taller than I am, it would still be a long coat. I think it's really just beautiful. I cannot wait to wear it. I think I'm going to get loads and loads of wear out of it. It might even become like my everyday coat. It looks dressy, but it's very comfortable, and that's kind of what I want really. And I think it could easily be dressed up or down. And just the last thing I'd like to mention is that it has a slit down the back. Slit down here, I just need to unpick it. But I find that, especially because I am a little bit curvier, a slit down the back really looks very nice, and it really helps with my shape, and it makes me look like less bulky from behind. Really like that. The next coat is kind of similar, I guess. I like a long coat. I think that's what New Look does the best, is their long coats. I just think they're honestly beautiful. Again, it has a slit down the back. This one is a 12. I think it's slightly less oversized, obviously, because it is a size smaller. I think it is slightly less oversized. This one was £49.99. This one is slightly smarter because it does have some buttons, which the other one doesn't. This one's double-breasted. It still has a belt, which I really like and I look for in a coat. It's ever so slightly longer. I think if you're my height, this is a really beautiful coat. Would highly recommend picking this one up. I think, again, I'm gonna get loads and loads of wear out of these two coats. And actually, I'm quite happy with my coats this winter. It's a shame that I don't think I'm going to be going out that much. I think these are two beautiful, affordable coats. On to blazers, which are something that I think is useful all year round. I think in autumn, probably more so. I picked up two, which, again, I love. I really wanted to be quite selective with what I asked for. But because I am getting sent it, I think it's quite easy for me to ask for items I don't really like. But I love all the pieces that I was sent. This one is £46, so a little bit more expensive. It's kind of a similar price to the coat, and it is a blazer. However, I think it's a really nice blazer. It is a checked pattern, something that I look for in a blazer, and I think is a really telltale sign of how much you paid for a blazer is the length. And this blazer is really the perfect length on me. It just skims underneath my bum, which I find is the most flattering look. Again, I got this in a 12 because it's already quite an oversized blazer. I don't think I would personally oversize, again, because I am slightly curvier. I find that going oversized can kind of look a bit frumpy. So I like to keep it oversized, but not like wildly oversized. It's double-breasted. I love a double-breasted blazer, and it has got the all-important slit down the back, which again I think makes a huge difference. Really like this blazer. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of it. It's quite thick. I do think it's an autumn winter blazer. I think I could wear this almost as a coat with like a jumper underneath, and that's probably what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of months. I feel like now it's really cool to wear tracksuits under blazers, and this would be great for that. I need to buy some new tracksuits. If anyone has any recommendations where I can get some nice, reasonably priced tracksuits, do let me know in the comments. I'm after like a grey and a cream, and I feel like they're both really quite difficult colours to get, but I think both would look beautiful under this blazer, and again, cannot wait to wear it. Finally, I've got another blazer. This is a size 14. A size 14 isn't huge on me, it's just a little bit bigger. Again, this is the same price. I think this is the same coat, but it's a different pattern. Really like this. Again, great length. I'm actually going to get rid of my other black blazer because my other black blazer just wasn't right, and this one is just a much nicer length. Love the double-breasted. It's got gold buttons on it, which is nice. It's kind of boulet. I can't remember what this material is called, but it's kind of like Chanel jacket-esque material. And again, really lovely jacket. Cannot wait to wear it. Got good buttons, got a slit down the back. That is what I'm going to be wearing over the next couple of months. Like I said, I really genuinely love all the pieces I got, especially this cardigan, the blazers, and the black and white jacket. I think you're going to be seeing those probably a little bit too much, but I just think they're very versatile. This might not be the most versatile, but the other items are very versatile. This I just think is like my new happy colour, and I'm just so excited by it. But like this video if you did enjoy it. Let me know what sort of fashion videos you'd like to see next, because I am keen to do a few more. I am going to do a wardrobe tidy. I've been putting it off for a little bit because I do want to film it, but I know it's going to be a full-on video. I'm going to be ruthless. I'm going to get rid of that black blazer, which is a little bit too short for me, and loads of other stuff that doesn't quite fit and is a bit short or a bit long or just a bit tight or a bit loose. Stuff that just doesn't fit right, I really just want to get rid of. I really want to curate my wardrobe into something I really love. So do let me know if that's something you would like to see. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you all very soon.